See, they do protest for this Lagos now. Nobody injure, nobody do anything. Now just the big noise, end bad governance, end hunger. Say, I beg. May this protest end for here. We that side, anything when we enter, no they end. Check up now for this country when kidnapping start now for Easter, you go the hear news. Father and son got missing. How many? 2. You go the hear mother and child found missing. How many? 2. When we enter for that side, the word kidnap change for that our side. We know Sabi no supposed to move. The word kidnap can change to adopt. You go hear the full community of Chibok was adopted. For that on our side, unknown government will just carry bus, come keep, carry 2, Sienna. For that was side, we park 4 coasters, the full community go enter. We go there for 2 weeks. Bama was then they do protest for you. Hold on. My time don't they finish. They do protest for you. End bad governance. See the people when they lead the protest, they come. We are tired of this government. Enough of all this old men in power. Energy. You know why? Then they eat, come the protest. That was side. Person they use 6 weeks passing. Come outside. First of all, the meaning of protest for us not be even good thing for here. Zanga. It sounds like waiting go good. As soon as they do for you, end bad governance. If police throw tiaga here, end of protest. Don't more oversee. For the first time when not enter protest, you wanna see the difference. As they do, end bad governance. I see me this thing end for Abuja, me no come. Protest branch enter Kaduna. Early money don't come out. End bad governance. Now so then they come outside. They won't ask one say, why not they go and say, I don't know, then they end something. End bad governance. Now, do you know part of the reason why they always say they know they do protest? Now, say some people will be anti-protest, they mastermind the protest to loot. Listen, when you they loot for Lagos, you go enter supermarket, person go pick what you eat, what you need. What you need. If we loot for that side, oh, subhanallah. Early morning as well, and bad governance for Kaduna. One guy just walk out home. In look one guy when dress killing say, yeah, nature, man. This morning, I get traffic you go by. The guy no understand and say, I get traffic light you go by. As in the end bad governance, that guy don't go remove yellow, green, and the guy when they just say, I get traffic light you go by, the guy going to say, what will I do with traffic light? He don't provoke the guy. He said, how about now, for you, why they be able like say if it's more became. You don't know, say if you buy this traffic lights, nobody will go to control you for road. Hold on. Everybody hold on. I'm performing for this guy alone. Everybody hold on. 100 naira. I mean, you know that the highest money we receive for notes. $100 now you give me like that, you know enjoy me. Same way you go make I get what I go use and treat. No, you know say Basketmouth, she talk say me we know they collect money if they give us for stage. Basketmouth she dey curious and know the I mean add more Joe. Hold on. Because I say Basketmouth decrease, I leave about a good kill. So I go use and sponsor free education for us. You don't know, let's be serious. My time is only 4 minutes. That is Kaduna. Hold on. It's a premium when you get so name. Pound sterling. When I know people must pray for stand-up comedy. A Basketmouth, now only UK you go to perform. Banka! Bulodo Jesus. Wait, now £100 you give me like that, no doggy. entitled to Lamborghini. So this 100 pounds now, it be like Lamborghini to me. You are a boner boy in my life. All right, I have 3 minutes. Now, that is Kaduna. End bad governance. Then they do the go. I can't say God. I pray say may this protest end for this Kaduna. See, you know one thing about Kano people? There's a slogan in Kano for Hausa. Kode mekazo ampika. It means whatever you come with, we are greater than you in that thing. If you think say you are mad, we are madder than you. When they do that end bad governance, Kano people, their barotongo is not be your normal one. You know, here you take alcohol before you get high. For there we are high from sleep. And bad governance. Now, their own barotongo is a 1-2 syllabic. And bad governance. They know they run. Now police they run. As they go. And bad governance. Now police control Tiagas. The first one when you front catch them. Pick Tiagas. And now, do you know that one thing I love about Kano people, they don't steal. Kano people will not loot, but they will do something when the president will feel the effect. Now only Kano for the first time saw another country flag. When they call Russia to fight Nigeria. But he said, put him come on. Now wow. And my father said my little comedy. If you see what then they give me now, ain't go funny. No, we saw one money I did raise my go MC wedding. My father when he how much they pay me to MC wedding, just go and say Sarkin. Really? Now I said daddy, this is how they scope me, say this your work, you go carry your boy along. Go. Walk my time remain 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's be serious. Now, you know in this country, anything when they happen, once you reach Maiduguri, shut down. Check up now. See, for Maiduguri, they know they loot like normal people. If they want loot, they will loot the full area, make news there. Like the news go there for too long. Now, as they come outside, end by the governance, end by the governance, end by the governance. Police going to go back, police going to retire to the barak, retire. You know, I them not be normal audience. Then they go from Niger, Sudan, and other borders. So they just they promote because they just they notice a crowd there for other states. They say, yeah, nah, this one where other people they gather. Come be like say we no get population. May we end this country. End this country. Now, when they start the loot, you go no say they loot. I get 40-something seconds. Listen. As end bad governance and can notice one line. Say, Kai, that shall go something there we can chop. Then both enter supermarket. Then carry biscuit. One even carry cheese balls. He know to the family and I smell and say, Shege, Master and Daddy. They live there, they enter the next shop, waiting there boutique. Then carry clothes where they go where one even carry female mannequin. Say, yo, and that's some companion. Now I wish they end for there. They enter the next building, waiting there, library. As they enter. And bad governance. No one can say, oh, when only books you put for you. And my brother say, Kai, no be book carry me call. Now just the chair and table me I come back. The back chair and table no carry one thing. But I feared when this guy entered the next building for the street, waiting there, hospital lab. This is my final joke now. As they enter inside, they notice syringe, medicine, they don't understand. One can see one thing will be like shelf, now open now. Carry one bottle, they write on top, specimen. See, once they don't re-echo one word, no say they don't want. Specimen. Now I'm going to Yanira one. You don't see specimen before. That one come say, specimen. Specimen. I know specimen, I know even know say they don't do juice. This guy drinks specimen E. Code urine where get gonorrhea for 2 years. Have a wonderful night. My name is Sarkin Dariya.
Hi. M.O.P. Laughing Star.